From virtual to real, food bloggers hosting cooking events. Title: From virtual to real, food bloggers hosting cooking events. Introduction. In recent years, the world of food blogging has witnessed a remarkable transformation. From being solely a virtual platform where food enthusiasts showcase their culinary skills, it has evolved into something more tangible and immersive. Food bloggers are now taking their passion for cooking to the next level by hosting cooking events that bring people together in the real world. These events provide a unique opportunity for bloggers to engage with their followers, build a community, and showcase their talent beyond the confines of a screen. In this article, we explore the rise of food bloggers hosting cooking events and the impact they have on the culinary landscape. The journey from virtual to real. Food blogging has always been characterized by beautiful food photography, detailed recipes, and personal anecdotes. Bloggers have strived to create engaging content that allows their readers to connect with them on a deeper level. However, the desire for a more interactive experience led to the evolution of cooking events hosted by food bloggers. These events create an environment where bloggers can connect face-to-face with their followers and share their love for cooking in a more personal and immersive way. They provide a platform for bloggers to showcase their talents, experiment with new recipes, and offer cooking demonstrations. Additionally, attendees have the chance to learn cooking tips and techniques directly from their favorite bloggers. Building a community. Food blogging events have proven to be instrumental in building a strong sense of community among food enthusiasts. They provide a space where like-minded individuals can come together, bond over a shared passion for food, and exchange ideas. By hosting these events, food bloggers cultivate a loyal following that goes beyond virtual interactions. The relationships formed during these events often extend beyond the event itself, leading to long-lasting connections and friendships. This sense of community creates a support system for both bloggers and their followers, fostering a sense of belonging in the world of food. Fostering collaboration. Cooking events hosted by food bloggers also provide opportunities for collaboration between bloggers, food brands, and local businesses. These collaborations can range from sponsored content and partnerships to showcasing local ingredients and products. Brands are increasingly recognizing the influence and reach of food bloggers and are eager to collaborate with them to promote their products. This mutual relationship benefits both parties as bloggers gain exposure and brands tap into a dedicated and engaged audience. Furthermore, these events present an opportunity to support local businesses such as farmers, artisans, and suppliers. Taking it to the next level. Hosting cooking events is not limited to bloggers alone. Some have taken it a step further by organizing culinary retreats, workshops, and even pop-up restaurants. These immersive experiences provide a unique opportunity for food bloggers to take their expertise beyond the screen and into the real world. Culinary retreats offer food enthusiasts an escape from their daily lives as they immerse themselves in an environment dedicated solely to food, learning, and exploration. Workshops provide a more hands-on experience, allowing participants to refine their cooking skills under the guidance of experienced bloggers. Pop-up restaurants give bloggers the chance to showcase their culinary creations in a restaurant-like setting, providing attendees with an unforgettable dining experience. The impact on the culinary landscape. Food bloggers hosting cooking events have had a significant impact on the culinary landscape. Their events have not only elevated the appreciation for home cooking but also played a role in shifting culinary trends and preferences. By sharing their personal recipes and cooking techniques, bloggers have empowered home cooks to explore new flavors, experiment with different cuisines, and embrace their creativity in the kitchen. They have also encouraged the use of fresh, seasonal ingredients and promoted sustainable cooking practices. Moreover, cooking events have contributed to making the culinary world more inclusive and diverse. Bloggers from various cultural backgrounds have the opportunity to showcase their traditional cuisine. Breaking down barriers and showcasing the rich tapestry of global food heritage. As the world of food blogging continues to evolve, bloggers are finding new ways to bring their passion for cooking into the real world. Hosting cooking events has become a popular trend among foodie bloggers, allowing them to engage with their followers, build a community, and showcase their talents beyond the virtual realm. Food blogging has always been characterized by beautiful food photography, detailed recipes, and personal anecdotes. However, the desire for a more interactive experience has led bloggers to host cooking events where they can connect face-to-face with their followers. These events give bloggers a platform to showcase their skills, experiment with new recipes, and offer cooking demonstrations. Attendees also have the opportunity to learn valuable cooking tips and techniques directly from their favorite bloggers. One of the significant impacts of food blogging events is the sense of community they foster among food enthusiasts. These events create a space where like-minded individuals can come together, bond over their shared love for food, and exchange ideas. In hosting these events, bloggers cultivate a loyal following that goes beyond virtual interactions. The relationships formed during these events often extend beyond the event itself, leading to long-lasting connections and friendships. This sense of community provides support for both bloggers and their followers, creating a strong sense of belonging in the world of food. Food blogger events also provide opportunities for collaboration between bloggers, food brands, and local businesses. Brands recognize the influence and reach of food bloggers and are eager to collaborate with them to promote their products. This mutually beneficial relationship allows bloggers to gain exposure while brands tap into a dedicated and engaged audience. These events also present a chance to support local businesses by incorporating local ingredients and products into recipes. By shining a spotlight on these businesses, food bloggers encourage attendees to support them in their own culinary ventures. Some food bloggers have taken their hosting skills to the next level by organizing culinary retreats, workshops, and even pop-up restaurants. Culinary retreats offer participants an escape from their daily lives as they immerse themselves in an environment dedicated solely to food, learning, and exploration. Workshops provide a hands-on experience, allowing participants to refine their cooking skills under the guidance of experienced bloggers. Pop-up restaurants give bloggers the opportunity to showcase their culinary creations in a restaurant-like setting, providing attendees with a unique and memorable dining experience. The impact of food bloggers hosting cooking events extends beyond the individual experiences of attendees. These events have played a significant role in elevating the appreciation for home cooking. Shifting culinary trends and preferences. By sharing their personal recipes and cooking techniques, bloggers empower home cooks to explore new flavors, experiment with different cuisines, and embrace either creativity in the kitchen. They also encourage the use of fresh, seasonal ingredients and promote sustainable cooking practices. In addition to these practical impacts, food bloggers hosting cooking events have contributed to making the culinary world more inclusive and diverse. Bloggers from various cultural backgrounds have the opportunity to showcase their traditional cuisines, breaking down barriers and highlighting the rich tapestry of global food heritage. Food bloggers hosting cooking events have taken the virtual realm of food blogging and transformed it into a tangible, immersive experience. Through these events, bloggers have been able to foster a